Hello, my name's David. I work as a software engineer. I have to get up at 6:30 a.m. every day. I usually have a cup of coffee and then take a quick shower. On Mondays, I work from home, but from Tuesday to Friday, I go to the office. I leave home at 7:30 and drive to work. If there's no traffic, I arrive at the office at 8. I work until 5:30 or 6. During my lunch break, I like to go for a walk with a colleague. But if it rains, we stay inside. After work, I often go to a restaurant because I don't like cooking. During the week, I always go to bed early. On Saturdays, I go out with friends, and on Sunday mornings, I go to church.